Hi everybody, it's Anne Bounty from Said With Love, and I just wanted to welcome you to the Daylesford Quilt Sewalong. The Daylesford Quilt is in Jen Kingwell's new book called Quilt Recipes, and it's just a fun quilt. Have a quick show of that. Fun quilt, sort of in a medallion style, and I think Jen even calls it a choose your own adventure. So there's a lot of opportunity to change things up a bit, perhaps do more pieced blocks in the different rounds of the medallion, but I'm going to do one that follows the pattern so that you guys can follow along as well. We're going to start on July the 1st, and it's going to be an 8-week sew along. You need to sign up to get my tips and tricks emails each week, and I'll tell you in each week what parts of the quilt we're going to do. But you need the pattern, you need the book. The emails that come out will not give you dimensions and all that sort of stuff. You need to purchase the book, and don't worry, it is worth every cent. Gorgeous book, and there's 12 different projects in here, quilts and other sort of quilty items like cushions and things, and there are some stunners in here, really amazing. And there's also recipes in here, so I think it's Jen's mum's recipes, but there are some gorgeous ones in here, and some stunning photography. Let me just find this one. What's this one called? Powder puffs. I mean, seriously, look at that beautiful picture. So we'll have a bit of fun, might make some recipes along the way. And just to give you a bit of a tweak, hang on. I've already started to sew a bit of mine up, and I picked this awesome print with all these little quilty sayings in the middle as well. So come and join us. In the caption below there will be links to where you can sign up and find out all the information, and look forward to having you join me on July 1.